Brushes in Photoshop serve multiple purposes, but are mainly used for drawing and painting. The brush tool is used for standard drawing. The mixer brush tool simulates real painting by mixing colors together and adding wetness and color buildup to the brush. Brush presets, which have a combination of settings applied to them already, are available in the Brushes panel, as well as the Brush Preset Picker. These panels are organized into folders: General, Dry Media, Wet Media, and Special Effect Brushes. We recommend starting with a brush preset and modifying the settings to achieve the desired effect. Basic controls of the brush tool are available in the options bar, and advanced settings are accessible in the Brush Settings panel. Brush settings include size, hardness, and shape. To draw or paint with a brush tool, create a new layer. Select the desired brush tool. Select a color from the Swatches panel or from the bottom of the toolbar. Select a brush preset from the Brush Preset Picker or the Brushes panel. And modify brush settings as desired in the Options bar or Brush Settings panel. Then, click and drag on the canvas to draw and paint as desired. Be aware that every brush stroke will be contained on the same layer, unless more layers are made. To undo mistakes or strokes, open the History panel and revert back to a previous step. To change the color of a brush stroke, select the layer with the painting in the Layers panel. Click the Layer Style button, which has an FX, and select Stroke. Or double-click the layer icon and check the Stroke option. In the new window, ensure the preview box is checked to see the changes as they're made. In the Position drop-down, select Inside, and adjust the size to fill the entire brush stroke. Then, click the Color option. Select a new color, and click OK. When done, click OK. Be aware that every stroke in the layer will be affected. We recommend using multiple layers when working with brushes for more control. More information about Photoshop can be found in our other videos, as well as the PLU knowledge base.